Imagine spending months building a beautiful desktop app only to realize it works on Windows and nowhere else. So that's the reason why developers are moving from WPF to Avalonia. But does that make the Avalonia better? Let's look into this video. So WPF, which is like the Windows Presentation Foundation, is Microsoft's classic desktop UI framework for .NET. So if you're building enterprise desktop apps specifically for Windows, then WPF has been the gold standard for years. Whereas Avalonia, it's a modern open source cross-platform UI framework for .NET. It looks and feels very similar to WPF, but the big difference is that it works on Windows, Macs, Linux, even mobile or WebAssembly. So the advantages of using these Avalonia is that, as mentioned, it's a true cross-platform support. It provides modern architecture, and also it's open source and community driven, and it's work great for .NET 8 and modern development practices. Whereas WPF here also, it's not bad, so it's actually extremely mature and stable. You have excellent Visual Studio tooling and massive ecosystem and documentation. But on the downside here, the WPF is only for Windows only. It feels outdated in some areas and slower innovation from Microsoft. So it's not ideal for modern cross-platform products. But Avalonia here also has a little bit of downsides like smaller ecosystem and fewer third-party UI controls, and it's less mature than WPF. So I would suggest if you're a beginner, start with Avalonia. So if you're a beginner, start with Avalonia. You learn the modern .NET development while also gaining cross-platform skills that are future-proof. Okay, so but if you're like an enterprise developer, then WPF is still a strong choice if your company especially is fully Windows based. Okay, so it's stable, proven, and tested. So that will be better. Based on that, you can decide which like works best for you. So WPF is actually the veteran, and Avalonia will be the future challenger. So the best framework depends on one question: are you building for Windows or you're building for everyone?